The global real estate market handles $4 trillion in transactions every year. That's huge. But here's the problem. 68% of homebuyers say the process is too slow and confusing. Why do some real estate apps succeed while others fail? We're going to explore that. Now, if you are someone who is thinking about building a real estate app in 2026, then you've come to the right video. In this video, we'll show you a complete real estate platform. You will get to know what users see, what you control behind the scenes, and how AI fits into all of this, and what it costs to build. Let's start. Here's the brutal truth. Around 90% of real estate tech startups eventually fail. The reason is simple. They get three things wrong. First, complex search and discovery. Users open an app and face thousands of listings, dozens of filters, endless scrolling. They can't find what they actually want. AI fixes this. Smart recommendations based on lifestyle and preferences. Visual search using photos. Predictive matching that learns what buyers really need. Second, lack of transparency and trust. Hidden closing costs show up at the last minute. Photos make properties look better than reality. Fake listings waste people's time. Unverified agents create risk. Buyers don't know who to trust. AI solves this. AI-powered property valuations give real market prices. Virtual staging shows accurate potential. Document authentication stops fraud. Verification systems build trust from day one. Third, limited virtual experience. Buyers have to visit properties in person. They tour 8 to 10 homes before deciding. That takes months. They can't visualize the space. They waste time on properties that won't work. AI changes that. AI virtual tours let buyers explore from anywhere. AR staging shows furniture and design options. 3D walkthroughs give the real feel without driving across town. Now, why is 2026 the perfect time to build? Two reasons. One, massive market gaps. Around 65 to 70% of buyers report stress and confusion during the buying process. The typical search takes 3 to 4 months. That's too long. First-time buyers need better tools. Commercial real estate barely has digital platforms. Mobile apps are terrible. These gaps are opportunities. 2. User behavior has shifted. 97% of buyers now use the internet to search for homes. They expect virtual tours. They want instant answers. They need digital tools, not just listing websites. So, what does a real estate app built for 2026 actually look like? Let's take a look. Home and discovery. This is the user app. Instead of overwhelming buyers with thousands of listings and complex filters, the experience starts clean, focused, and easy to navigate. Users see curated properties, smart recommendations, and a search experience designed around how people actually think, not how databases are structured. AI-powered search. AI plays a key role here. As users browse and interact, the platform learns their preferences, budget range, location interest, and lifestyle needs, and continuously refines what it shows them. This reduces endless scrolling and helps buyers find the right properties faster. Property listings and transparency. Each property listing is designed for clarity and trust. Buyers instantly see pricing, photos, key features, and AI-estimated market value, all in one place. No hidden surprises, no misleading listings. Trust signals and AI valuation. To build confidence, the app highlights verified listings, verified agents, and AI-powered price validation using comparable market data. This helps users understand whether a property is fairly priced before they ever schedule a visit. Virtual tours and experience. Instead of visiting 8 or 10 properties in person, buyers can explore homes virtually. High-quality virtual tours and 3D walkthroughs allow users to experience spaces remotely, shortlist faster, and avoid wasted site visits. AI assistant for buyer support. When users have questions, an in-app AI assistant provides instant answers. From pricing insights and neighborhood information to next steps in the buying process, support is always available, without waiting for callbacks. Shortlisting and agent contact buyers can save properties, compare options, and contact verified agents directly inside the app. Scheduling a site visit or starting a conversation takes just a few taps. This is how AI transforms real estate platforms: smarter discovery, greater transparency, and a faster path from browsing to buying. The next generation of real estate belongs to platforms that combine AI intelligence with transparency and trust. And the window to enter this market is now. At Code Brew Labs, we've helped over 100 founders build AI-powered products. We know what works and what doesn't. For real estate platforms, we bring that expertise: smart property search, AI-powered valuations, virtual tours, and AR staging. We will design, develop, and deploy a working real estate product within 45 days. We will provide you a custom tech stack for your platform. If you're serious about launching before competitors flood this market, now is the time to move. Click the link in the description and fill out the 2-minute form and schedule a free consultation call with our experts. Our team will reach out within 24 to 48 hours. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more insights on building real-world AI products.